Right, students. I think last day we discussed up to question number 8, ne? In non-profit organization. Akshay, we discussed up to question number 8 or 9?
8, sir.
8, ne? All right, right. Right, students. Last year we discussed up to question number 8. It means receipt and payment account we discussed last day. Receipt and payment account we discussed last day. Today we will discuss members subscription fee in a non-profit organization. Members subscription fee. Okay, then right. Right. Member subscription fee and income statement we'll discuss today. Income statement. Right, students. You know, in a non-profit organization, when you're preparing income statement, okay, when you're preparing income statement, we use accrual concept. What we use accrual concept. Okay, in a sole proprietorship business also we use same concept, accrual concept. Okay, Lamai, based on accrual concept, relevant income and relevant expenses should be recorded in profit and loss statement or income statement. In the income statement, we need to record relevant income, relevant expense for the period. In income, whether we collected or not, whether we received or not, relevant income we need to record. In expenses, whether we paid or not, relevant expenses should be recorded in profit and loss statement. In the income statement of a non-profit organization. Okay, for a sole proprietorship business organization, it's the profit and loss statement. But for a non-profit organization, it's the income statement. Okay, relevant income and relevant expense should be recorded. Okay, right. And then here, in this question, here, today we will discuss how to calculate membership fee. Simple. Okay, no need to worry about membership fee. It is simple. Okay, we have a simple calculation of membership fee. Students, let's say like this. Let's say, in this, let's say in a non-profit organization, let's say there are 250 members. There are 250 members. 250 members. Then let's say annual subscription fee 100 rupees. Annual subscription fee 100 rupees. Annual subscription fee, annual membership fee 100 rupees. Let's say annual subscription fee or membership fee 100 rupees. Then how to calculate annual relevant income? 250 members multiplied by 100. How much? 25,000. Relevant subscription fee for the period 25,000. Relevant subscription fee for the period how much? 25,000. Simple. Number of members multiplied by annual membership fee. Annual membership fee. Let's say like this. Annual. Number of members 250. Let's say number of members 250. And then let's say monthly subscription, monthly membership fee. Let's say monthly membership fee is 100 rupees. Monthly membership fee. Then you need to calculate annual subscription fee. How to calculate annual subscription fee? number of members 250, monthly subscription fee, monthly membership fee is 100, then this amount multiplied by 12. Then you can calculate annual membership fee, annual subscription fee. How much? Here 250 multiplied by 100 into 12 insurance 300,000 300,000 annual subscription fee. Okay, right? If examiner gave you monthly subscription fee, then to calculate annual subscription fee, you need to multiply by 12. Then you can calculate annual subscription fee. Okay, clear? Is it clear, Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Lagdil, is it clear, Lagdil?
Yes, sir.
Lenora, clear, Lenora. Kaushi, clear, Kaushi? Yes, sir. Right. Kaushi, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Kaushi, after a long time, ne? Daskana Kavine, ne? Kaushi. Last week, one that Kavile, Kaushi. I remember, right? Then annual subscription fee, how much? 300,000. If examiner gave you monthly subscription fee, then multiplied by 12. Then you can calculate annual subscription fee. Okay, right. Let's say like this. Let's say like this. Let's say in a non-profit organization, let's say there are 200 members. In a non-profit organization, there are 200 members. And then annual subscription fee is 1,000 rupees. Number of members 200. Annual subscription fee, yeah, 1,000 rupees. Annual subscription fee 1,000 rupees. Annual subscription fee, annual membership fee. Let's say out of 200 members, let's say 175 members paid their subscription fee. 175 members paid their subscription fee. Then subscription received in cash, how much? 175 multiplied by 1,000 rupees. Subscription received in cash with the non-profit organization, how much? 175,000. Subscription received in cash. Now here, only 175 members paid their subscription fee. And then balance right here, then balance amount receivable. Balance subscription fee receivable, how much? Here, number of members 200. Out of 200 members, 175 paid us their subscription fee, their membership fee. And these 25 people need to pay their subscription to the organization. Then 25 multiplied by 1,000 rupees. Subscription receivable, how much? 25,000. Subscription receivable. It means my subscription receivable or subscription in arrears. Subscription receivable. Subscription in arrears. Subscription in arrears. Arrears subscription. Receivable subscription. Receivable subscription. Then how to calculate annual subscription fee? Annual relevant subscription fee for the period, how much? My subscription received amount plus subscription receivable 200,000. 200,000. Subscription fee for the period. Subscription fee for the period. Members fee for the period 200,000. Okay, this 200,000 directly we can calculate. By multiplying number of members from annual subscription fee. Directly we can calculate this amount. 200 multiplied by 1,000, then 200,000. Total subscription fee. Here, received amount plus receivable amount. 200,000. Then the direct method to calculate this amount is number of members multiplied by annual subscription. Then directly we can calculate total subscription fee relevant for the period. Rion, is it clear, Rion?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Right. Right. Lamai. Quickly go to question number 9. Quickly go to question number 9. We will do question number 9. Quickly calculate question number 9. Just question number 9. Question number 9. Here, Arana Sports Society has 150 members for the year 2020. The annual membership fee per member is 400. 20 members have not paid their subscription fee as at the end of the year. First one, calculate the subscription fee received for the year 2023. Subscription fee received for the year. First one, subscription received. Second one, how much is the accrued membership fee? Accrued membership fee means students, subscription fee receivable. Subscription fee receivable. Subscription fee receivable for the period. Receivable amount. And then third one, calculate subscription fee for the period. It means third one is relevant amount for the period. Relevant subscription fee for the period. Relevant subscription fee for the period. Okay, simple question. Can I quickly complete this question? Students, quickly complete this question. Simple question. Quickly complete this question. Question number 9. Simple. Here, question number 9. Calculate the subscription fee received for the period. How much? Received subscription fee for the period. How much? 20 members not paid their subscription fee. It means 130 members multiplied by subscription fee 400. Right. Subscription fee received amount. How much? Lakdil, how much received amount? Kaushik, how much?
52,000 rupees.
Yes, yes, 52,000. Received amount in cash 52,000. Right. Second one, subscription fee receivable. Accrued membership fee. It is subscription fee receivable. How much? 20 members multiplied by 400. How much? Subscription fee receivable. How much?
8,000 rupees.
8,000. Yes. 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees. And then third one, calculate the subscription fee for the period. Relevant amount for the period. How much?
60,000.
Yes. Subscription fee received. Subscription fee received plus receivable. Receivable. Received 52,000. Receivable 8,000. How much then? 60,000. Okay. Relevant subscription fee for the period 60,000. Or directly you can calculate. Or 150 members multiplied by 400. 60,000. Akshya, clear? Akshya.
Clear, sir.
Right. Lucky located.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Lenora, okay, clear. Lenora, okay, Lenora,
Yes.
clear. Yes, right. Then what about Sanjali? Clear, Sanjali? Right. Right. Enough. No need to do question number 10. You can do question number 10 at home. Okay, simple question. Right. Now we will move into income statement. Income statement. Okay, income statement of a non-profit organization. Right, students. Right, income statement of a non-profit organization. Here already we discussed. Income statement we prepare based on accrual concept. It means relevant income for the period, then relevant expense for the period should be recorded in income statement. Don't forget. Students, receipt and payment account, cash book, or receipt and payment account, we prepare based on cash basis. Cash received debit, cash payment credit. But income statement we prepare based on accrual concept. Accrual concept. Relevant income for the period. Okay, we need to record it. Relevant expense for the period should be recorded. Whether we received in cash or not, paid or not. Relevant income, relevant expense for the period. Okay, don't forget those points. Extremely important. You know, for a sole proprietorship business organization, we prepare profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. But in your syllabus, for a non-profit organization, we do not prepare a statement of financial position. We prepare only receipt and payment account, cash book, receipt and payment account, and income statement. Income statement means profit and loss statement. Okay, we using same concept, same accrual concept. Here we prepare income statement. But students, no, here we use a simple format. We use a simple format to calculate surplus or deficit. Okay, we use a simple format for income statement to calculate surplus or deficit in a non-profit organization. Simple structure. Directly income minus expenses. Directly income minus expenses. Okay, no need to calculate cost of sale. No need to write down opening stock plus purchases, closing stock minus, then gross profit, and then other income plus distribution cost, administration cost, finance cost. Likewise, no need to write down anything. Just income minus expense. Just income minus expense. But you can't forget. Don't forget. We use accrual concept to prepare income statement of a non-profit organization. Okay, right. Now we will move into question number 11. Hasidu, non-profit organization, question number 11, Hasidu. Right. Quickly, we will do this question at first. Question number 11. Simple, simple. Here, look at the question. The treasurer of the Science Association of now it should be Kotavehera Mankada. Kotavehera Mankada, K-O. Kotavehera Mankada Mahavidyalaya has presented the information relating to income and expenditure for the year 2023 as below. Treasurer of the Science Association of Kotavehera Mankada, K.O. Kotavehera Mankada Mahavidyalaya has presented the information relating to income and expenses for the year 2023 as follows. Income and expenses. Here, directly I have given income and expenses. No need to identify whether it is income or expenses. Okay, in one side income, on the other side expenses. Directly you can calculate surplus or deficit by deducting expenses from income. Okay, right. Quickly we will do. Question number 11. Right. Prepare a simple income statement. Now, my question number 11. Question number 11, number of combination. Question number 11. Simple format. We use a simple format. Right here, income statement for the year 2023. We write down like that. Income statement for the year 2023. Here, Science Association of Kiribathgoda Mahavidyalaya. Science, just write down Science Association. Just write down Science Association. And then income minus expenses. Simple. Income minus expenses. Because my target is to start papers next month onwards. Next month means December month onwards. To start our paper class. And after starting paper class, I'm going to reduce your class fees also. Later, I will inform you the situation of the class fees. I'm going to reduce some amount of your class fees. Okay, I will later I will inform you everything. We will try to start the class on December month. We'll try, yeah, we'll try. If not January, but my main target is to start paper class in January. Therefore, quickly we will try to complete these chapters. Okay, entrepreneurship and then cost of production and investment. They can direct, and then we can direct. We can discuss papers until you exam. Right. Now, I quickly prepare this income statement. Science Association of Kiribathgoda Mahavidyalaya. Income statement for the year 2023. Income and then expenses. Here, income minus expenses. Income minus expenses. Right. How shall we start the question? Lenora, shall we start Lenora? Right. Akshay, shall we start? Akshay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Jagdish, shall we start? Jagdish.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Hasidu, shall we start? Hasidu? Okay, right. Right. Tamai, look at the question number 11. Look at the question number 11. Right. Write down income. Write down expenses. Then income minus expenses. Right. Quickly we'll complete the question. Simple question, huh? Simple question. Membership fee. Membership fee 6,200. Sale of magazine. Sale of magazine. Sale of magazine. 5,800. 5,800. Simple. Donation. Donation received. Donation received to the non-profit organization. 2,800. Donation received. 2,800. Donation received. And then advertisement. Through advertisement, this non-profit organization received 15,900. Then advertisement write down. Here we can consider that one as income. As an income. Advertisement. Advertisement 15,900. 15,900. Okay, right. And then write down expenses. Expenses. Printing of magazine. 2,900. Printing of magazine. Stationaries. Stationery 900. Transportation. Transportation 400. Payment as donation. Not donation paid 1,200. Write down. Calculate total income. Calculate total expenses. Income minus expenses. Surplus or deficit. Surplus or deficit. How much the total income? How much the total expense? Surplus 55,300, right? Okay. I got the answer from Akshaya. Very good. Right. How much the total income? Total income how much? Akshaya, total income how much?
Sir, 60,700.
Huh?
60,700.
60,700, right? Right then. Total expenses?
5,400.
Huh?
5,400.
5,400, eh?
Yes, sir.
Right then. Income minus expenses? 55,300, right there, right there. This is surplus. Surplus. This is a surplus. Surplus 55,300. 55,300 surplus. Okay, then clear, done, finish. Lenora, finish or not, Lenora?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Kaushik, done, finished. Kaushik,
Yes, sir.
let's start. Absolutely okay, right? Yes, right. Rion, okay, the Rion.
Done, sir.
On the right. Right, now I then quickly complete question number 12. Quickly complete question number 12. Send me the answers. Quickly complete question number 12. Question number 12. Simple. Question number 12. Science Association, Malabar Mahavidyalaya. Income statement. for the year 2023, income minus expenses. Income minus expenses. Right. Quickly calculate surplus or deficit. Send me the answers. No need to send me a photo. Send me the surplus or deficit as a message. Send me only surplus or deficit. Now. Surplus for 6,000 total. Right. Right. I got the answer from Lakshya and Kaushi. Here, look at the question. Membership fee 42,000. Sale of magazine 6,800. Donation received 6,900. Advertisement 4,500. Expenses printing 1,900. Stationery 80. Transportation 6,200. Donation paid 1,400. Salary 3,200. Rent 1,200. Total income 60,200. Total income 60,200. Total expenses 113,980. Sorry, 13,980. 13,380. 980. 13,980. 980. Then surplus is 46,220. 46,220. Done. Surplus, surplus. Surplus 46,220. Okay then? Okay then? Right. Lagbil, okay, finish the Lagbil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, first is done. Okay, then do.
Yes.
Lenora, okay, then finish Lenora.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Then Rion, okay, then Rion, done.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Sanjali, what about you, Sanjali? Done. Right. Then students, we'll move into question number 13. Look at the question number 13. Look at the question number 13. Right. Now you need to apply approval concept. Approval concept to complete question number 13. I will give you 5 minutes. Try to do something for this question number 13. Try to do something. You need to apply approval concept. Approval concept. Okay. Try to do something for this question. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, now shall we discuss the question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. How shall we discuss?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Lavdin, okay then.
Okay, sir.
Akshay, shall we discuss, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Look at the question. Look at the question here. Question number 13. Receipt and payment details of Allepola Sports Society. Receipt and payment details of Allepola Sports Society are as follows. For the year ended 2023. For the year ended 2023. Okay, and then here you can see a cash book. Cash book of the business organization you can see. Here you can see cash book of the business organization. Cash book. Receipt and payment account of the business organization. Cash book. And then additional information. You can see additional information also. And then prepare the income statement for the year. Using what? Using accrual basis. Accrual basis. Right. We'll complete the income statement. For the question of 13. For the question of 13. Income statement. Here, Allepola Sports Society. Allepola Sports Society. Income statement for the year 2023. And then here, income. And then expenses. Income and expenses. Income and expenses. Right. Look at the question. Students, here you can see receipt and payment account of the business. You can see receipt and payment account. And then additional information also you can see here, right? Additional information. At first, we will complete additional information. After completing additional information, we will look at the cash book. Right. Additional information number 1. Number of members are 800. Number of members are 800. Membership fee. Number of members 800. Number of members. Annual membership fee per member 100. 800 number of members. Annual membership fee is 100. Then how much the annual subscription fee? Students, annual subscription fee how much? 80,000. Annual relevant subscription fee for the period. Relevant subscription fee for the period how much? 8,000. 800 multiplied by 100. 80,000. Is it clear, Lenora? Lenora clear, Lenora? Kaushi is clear, Kaushi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Then student, you need to record in the income statement relevant membership fee. Then relevant membership fee. Then in the cash book you can see membership fee received amount 84,400 received amount. In the cash book you can see received amount. Then now you need to ignore received amount. Why? You need to record here relevant membership fee. Relevant membership fee. Relevant membership fee 80,000. Relevant membership fee how much? 8,000. Right now you can ignore membership fee received in cash. Received in cash you can ignore now. Akshaya clear? Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Now you need to ignore the balance received in cash. 84,400 you can ignore. Okay, right. Membership is done. Here, however, 20 members have not paid membership. No. No need those information. Why? They will pay. Next financial year, they will pay that amount. But to the income statement, we need to charge only relevant subscription fee for the period. Whether we received or not, relevant amount should be recorded in the income statement. Then 20 members not paid, ignore. No need that information. Okay, right. Additional information number 1 done. Look at the additional information number 2. Annual telephone charge is 2,800. Annual telephone charge. It means students, annual telephone expenses how much? 2,800. Then paid amount or payable amount you can ignore. Here, annual telephone charge 2,800. Then look at the cash book. In the cash book, you can see telephone expenses paid amount 1,720 paid amount. Paid amount. But in the income statement, we need to record telephone charges relevant amount for the period. Annual telephone charge how much? 2,018. Then we can ignore paid amount. We can ignore paid amount. Then here write down telephone expenses. Telephone expenses. Telephone expenses 2,800. Okay. Whether we paid or not, relevant expense for the period should be recorded. Whether we paid or not, relevant expense for the period should be recorded in income statement. Is it clear? How is it clear? Rion, is it clear? Rion? Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Telephone charges because now you can ignore telephone charges paid amount you can ignore. Right. Next one. From additional information number three. Additional information number 3. Here, 2,000 needs to be received from sale of flat. Tamai, 2,000 needs to be received. From sale of flats. How much they have collected? How much they have collected? Membership fee right here. Sale of flat 96,000. Namai in the these are the receipt of payment details. Yes, here you can see receipt of payment details. In those details, sale of flat 96,000. Okay, by selling flats, they have earned 96,000. Received amount in cash. Sale of flat, received amount in cash. Received amount. Received amount 96,000. And then not only that, here 2,000 is to be received. Another 2,000 need to receive, need to collect. Another 2,000 need to collect. Tell me, receivable. Receivable how much? Another 2,000. Then relevant sale of flat income for the period how much? Relevant sale of flat income for the period how much? 96,000 plus receivable amount. 96,000 received amount. And then balance 2,000 receivable. Then relevant amount for the period how much? 98,000. Relevant amount for the period 98. Sale of flat. Relevant amount for the period 98,000. Then here, sale of flat. Sale of flat, 98,000. Lagdil, is it clear, Lagdil?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hasidu clear, Hasidu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Right. Question number 3. Sorry, no, sorry. Adjustment number 3 done. Adjustment number 4. Look at the adjustment number 4. Prepaid electricity expenses 200. Students, electricity expense paid amount how much? Electricity expense paid amount how much? Paid amount. Electricity expense paid amount how much? Paid. Electricity expense paid amount how much? 1,600. Electricity paid. Electricity paid 1,600. 1,600. And then here, additional information says that prepaid electricity expense 200. Out of this 1,600, prepaid 200. Prepaid 200. Paid amount for the next financial year, for the coming financial year. Then electricity to calculate relevant electricity expense for the period. To calculate relevant electricity expense for the period, 1,600 minus prepaid amount. Paid amount for the next financial year, 1,600 minus 200, 1,400. Then relevant electricity expense for the period, how much? 1,100. Am I? Okay, Kaushik. Okay, Kaushik, right? Here, relevant electricity fees for the period, how much? 1,100. Total paid amount 1,600, and then prepaid amount 200. Prepaid amount you can deduct. Then relevant amount for the period 1,000. Then electricity 1,000. Electricity 1,000. Electricity. Electricity 1,000. Okay, then right next right. Right. Now then here we discuss all the additional information. All the additional information. Now we can look at receipt and payment details. Details of the cash book. Details of the cash book. Okay, then right. Look at the details of the cash book. Students, cash balance 1st January 2023, 40,300. Cash balance is opening asset. Opening assets we can't record here. In the income statement, we can record only income and expenses. Here, opening cash balance we can't record. Opening cash balance, opening asset ne, opening assets we can't record in income statement. Okay, opening assets, cash balance. No need to record anywhere. And then membership fee received. Students, relevant membership fee for the period we recorded here. Relevant membership fee for the period we recorded here. Then membership fee received, we can ignore. And then payment as donations. Donations paid. Expense of the business. Donation paid. Donation. Donation paid expense. 2,800. Donation paid 2,800. Donation paid. Donation paid 2,800. And then next one. Stationary purchases. Stationary. Stationary. Stationary purchases 809. Another expense. Another expense. Cash book credit. Paid amount paid. This 890 paid in cash. Stationary expenses we have paid in cash. Next one. Receipt of donation. Income. Donation received. Donation received. Donation received 50,000. Donation received 50,000. Donation received 50,000. Donation received 50,000. Another one, payment for AIDS. AIDS means another method. It is some kind of donation. Payment for AIDS. Another expense. 4,000. What is the cash balance given for the? No. Income statement. Opening cash balance we can record anywhere. Opening asset. In the income statement, we record only income and expenses. Opening cash balance we can record here. That is not an income. Opening cash balance. Only opening cash balance. Okay, right. Then my sale of flats. Sale of flats, no need to record. Here, here we recorded relevant sale of flat for the period. Therefore, received amount in cash, we can ignore now. Electricity, relevant electricity expense fee for the period we recorded here. And then purchase of papers, another expense, purchase of papers. Papers, we write down papers. Papers, 3,800. Purchase of papers, 3,800. Purchase of papers. Purchase of papers. Next one. Telephone expenses. Lavai. Telephone expenses also we have recorded. Relevant telephone expense for the period we have recorded here. Relevant telephone expenses we have recorded. Therefore, telephone expenses paid amount we can ignore. Next one. Sale of all papers, 2,200. Another cash receipt, income. Sale of all papers. $2,200. Another income. Sale of all papers, another income. Sale of all papers, another income. Rent of the building, 9,000. Rent. Another expense. Rent of the building, another expense. And then refreshment expense, 8,140. Refreshment expense. Refreshment expenses, 8,100. Another expense. Right, done. Done. Students, quickly calculate surplus or deficit. Quickly calculate surplus or deficit. How much? Send me the surplus or deficit. Right. How much the total income of the business of the organization? Total income how much? Total income. $230,200, eh? 230, 200, right? 230, 200. Total income. Right. Total expenses how much? Total expenses? 33, 730, eh? Yes. 33, 730. 33, 730. Yes. 33, 730. Right. Then surplus or deficit. Surplus how much? 196, 470. Surplus. 196, 470 surplus. Surplus of the number of dimensions. Hasindu, question is clear or not? Hasindu.
Please.
Clear, right? Lenora, question is clear or not? Lenora.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Kaushi, is it clear? Kaushi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Am I question number 13 done? Quickly complete question number 14 and send me answers. I need answers from everyone for question number 14. Topic question 14. I need answers from everyone now. Everyone from means Hasindu, Kaushi, Lakti, Panora, Aksya. Everyone need to send me answers for the question number 14.
Sir.
Right, we'll discuss the question. Now, question number 14. After question 14, we will stop for the day. Yeah. Right. Look at the question 14. Mahajana Reader Society has 60 members. Annual membership fee per member is 400. The treasurer of the club has presented the summary of the receipt and payment account as at 31 December 2023. Unit prepare income statement for the year ended 31 December 2023. Here they have 60 members. Number of members 60. Students, then 60 members multiplied by 400. Relevant subscription fee for the period. Relevant membership fee, how much? Relevant membership fee for the period, how much? 24,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Yes. Relevant subscription fee for the period 24,000. Subscription fee. Subscription fee 24,000. Alright, then you can ignore receipt and payment account subscription fee. They have collected 30,000. But relevant amount for the period 24,000. In the income statement, we need to record relevant amount for the period. In the cash book, received amount. But in income statement, relevant income for the period. Relevant subscription fee for the period. Okay, right. Right. Then, what are the additional information? Look at the additional information. Building rent payable 1,200. Building rent payable. Students, building rent paid how much? Building rent paid 4,000. Building rent paid 4,000. Students, building rent paid amount 4,000. And another 1,200 payable. Payable means relevant for the period. Paid amount 5,000. Another 1,200 payable. Relevant for the period. Unpaid amount for the period. Then relevant billing rate for the period, how much? Relevant amount for the period, how much? 5,200. Relevant billing rate for the period, 5,200. Whether we paid or not, relevant amount should be recorded in income statement. In the income statement, we need to record relevant expense for the period. Then billing rate, relevant rent for the period, 5,200. Okay there? Okay there. Right. And the next one. Billing rent received in advance. They in the receipt and payment debit side, you can see billing rent received amount. They have rented a building. They have rented a building. Then from that building, they earn some income. Billing rent received 23,425. Billing rent received. Billing rent received. Rent received. Received 23,425. Billing rent received. And out of this 23,425, building rent received in advance. Excess received amount 800. Advance received amount 800. Excess received amount. Total received 23,425. Out of 23,425, received in advance 800. Advance received. Then 23,425 minus 800. How much? Relevant rent income for the period, how much? 22,625. Rent income. Rent income for the period 22,625. Is it clear? Hasidu clear? Hasidu.
Yes, sir.
Kaushi clear? Kaushi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Lagdil, okay, Lagdil clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Lenora, clear. Lenora.
Yes, sir.
Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
Kenny, right. 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 Next one. The club has equipment amounting to 60,000, which need to be depreciated 5%. Now they have 60,000 equipment. Then equipment depreciation 5%. How much? Equipment depreciation 5%. How much? Depreciation 5%. How much? 3,000. Depreciation 3,000. Equipment depreciation 3,000. Equipment depreciation 3,000. Next one. Prepaid printing expenses 700. Now my total printing expenses how much? Total printing expenses. Total paid amount for the printing 15,250. 15,250. Printing paid. For printing, they have paid 50,250. But out of 50,250, prepaid printing 700. Prepaid amount. Paid amount for the next financial year. Not for the current financial year. Paid amount for the next financial year. Prepaid. Prepaid amount 700 minus. Right. Then how much the relevant printing expense for the period? Relevant amount for the period how much? 14,555. 550. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
40,550. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Then printing expenses. Printing 14,550. Printing expenses. Done. Done. All the additional information we recorded. All the additional information we recorded now. Now we need to go to the receipt and payment account. Look at the receipt and payment account. Opening cash balance. Opening asset. Opening cash balance means opening asset. No need to record in income statement. Opening asset. No need to record. Membership fee received. We can ignore now. Relevant amount for the period recorded. Building rent done. Sale of magazine 14,000. Income. Sale of magazine. Sale of magazine 40,000. Income. Right. Look at the receipt and payment account credit side. Telephone expenses. Telephone expenses 3,000. Telephone expenses 3,000. Telephone. Paid amount and expenses. Expense amount. Telephone expense 3,000. Building rent done. Rent done. Refreshment expenses 5,000. Refreshment. Refreshment 5,500. Refreshment 5,500. Equipment maintenance 8,750. 8,750. Equipment maintenance. Equipment maintenance 8,750. Stationery 875. Stationery. Stationery 875. Stationery. Transport charges 3,000. Transport. Transport charges 3,000. Transport 3,000. Printing expenses done. Here they have given paid amount. Done. Balance carried down. No need to record. Balance carried down. Closing cash balance asset. The balance carried down 30,800. No need to record in the income statement. Closing cash balance asset of the business. Asset. No need to record in income statement. Right, done. Here students, all the relevant income and expenses we recorded in income statement. Now you can calculate surplus or deficit. Surplus or deficit of the non-profit organization. How much the total income? Total income how much? Total income 60,625. Okay there? Kaushi, okay there, Kaushi? Not Kaushi, Kushi neither. Kushi. Okay, right. 60,625. Right. Total expenses how much? Total expenses? Total expenses 43,875. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Right now, surplus or deficit? Here surplus, and surplus. Surplus. $16,750. Okay. Here, surplus is 60,750. Akshay, your answer is correct or wrong? Your answer?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Correct,
Right.
sir.
Right. Right. Hasidu, okay, the done the Hasidu.
Yes.
Right. Lenora, clear, Lenora.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Kushi, finish or not? Kushi.
Finish.
Right, right. Lagdin, okay, the Lagdin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Again, question number 14, okay. Next day we'll discuss other questions. Question number 15 onwards we'll discuss next day. We'll try to complete this whole tube within another within 2 days. We'll complete this whole tube. Okay, and after that we can move into discuss. We can discuss cost of production and losses and investment. Okay, right, right. Then students we'll stop for the day. Other questions we'll discuss next day. Okay, right. Right. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Okay. Good night. Okay.